Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the real game changer. The new revolutionary high-tech display specs leaked of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, getting a better screen than the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max smartphones. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has already been rumored to come with very thin screen bezels. But today, we get an additional detail. According to a well-known tech insider Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will actually win the bezel game, having thinner bezels than any other phone, including the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both of those can boast impressively small bezels, but the S25 Ultra will take things one step further in this regard. As you can see in the video, the render was created for illustrative purposes, so we can see what to expect from the device in terms of bezels. Ice Universe also provides some details about some of the S25 Ultra's colorways. The blue one will have a light blue back, and a silver with a hint of blue metal frame. The black model will come with a black back, but a silver frame. Presumably this is the black, not the jet black, which we can now assume comes with a blacked out frame as well. The white version has a very light silver frame, and a back that's white with silver. We're looking forward to seeing how that works. Finally, the gray variant's back is gray with a hint of gold, with a matching frame. Previously it was reported that Samsung may produce Galaxy S25 Slim, the slimmest flagship, in limited quantity. A recent report suggested that alongside the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung could also reveal its first XR headset, codenamed Project Muhan. However, now, fresh information also suggests that the Galaxy S25 Slim may not make an appearance at the Unpacked event. Reportedly, Samsung will be taking a cautious step and plans to produce only 3 million units of the Galaxy S25 Slim model. The step will be purportedly taken to gauge the market reactions to the model's new slim form factor. While earlier reports hinted at a January launch alongside the Galaxy S25 series, recent updates suggest the Galaxy S25 Slim could launch in second quarter of 2025. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be unveiled next month alongside the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. Samsung is speculated to debut the Galaxy S25 series next month, likely on January 22nd in San Jose, California, USA. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.